Summers are a time for sun, fun, and, unfortunately, increased hair fall. But don't worry. We've got you covered with some effective tips to reduce hair fall during the summer season. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips to help you combat hair fall during the scorching summer months. Tip 1. Hydration. First and foremost, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your scalp and hair hydrated, preventing dryness and brittleness. Tip 2. Protective hairstyles. During summers, opt for protective hairstyles that keep your hair off your face and neck. This reduces exposure to sweat, oil, and environmental pollutants that can contribute to hair fall. Tip 3. Gentle cleansing. When washing your hair, use a gentle shampoo and conditioner specifically formulated for your hair type. Avoid using harsh chemicals and excessive heat styling, as they can strip away natural oils and weaken your hair. Tip 4. Sun protection. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the sun's harmful rays. Use a leave-in conditioner with SPF or a sun protection spray to shield your hair from UV damage and minimize hair fall. Tip 5. Balanced diet. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential for healthy hair. Include foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as leafy greens, fruits, lean proteins, and nuts, to nourish your hair from within. Tip 6. Regular trims. Trimming your hair regularly helps prevent split ends and breakage, keeping your hair strong and reducing hair fall. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain healthy hair. And there you have it, our top tips to reduce hair fall in summers. Remember to hydrate, protect, cleanse gently, shield from the sun, eat well, and trim regularly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Stay cool, stay fabulous, and enjoy your summer with less hair fall. See you in the next video.